Hi everyone. Today we have my favorite experiment that we do all year. It's really cool. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be mixing 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of calcium chloride with 10 milliliters of Phenol Red. We're going to be mixing these together inside this Ziploc bag. What do you think might happen when we mix these substances together? All right, what do you think is going to happen? Here we go. So the first thing I'm going to add, 1 spoonful of, of baking soda. There it is. 2 spoonfuls of calcium chloride. So we have these in the bag. Anything happening between these? Anything happening? No, nothing's happening yet. So I'm going to move these off to the side so they're out of our way. And now what we're going to do, we're going to pour 10 milliliters of Phenol Red into a vial, which looks like this. So I'm going to measure it out. And this stuff stains like very easily. That's why I'm being very careful. Okay. So I'm going to cap it, put it off to the side. Okay, so as you can see, it's a red color. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to lower it down. I'm going to place the Phenol Red vial inside of the bag. Notice how I'm not spilling it though. So I have my Phenol Red right inside of the bag. Now nothing has happened so far, but what I'm going to do next is I'm going to tip it over. But before I do that, I'm going to make sure there's not much air in the bag. I want to see if anything happens with the air. So I just tried to get out most of the air from the bag. What do you think is going to happen when I tip it over? And I'm also looking for a place to put this in case it goes wrong. Again, the red stuff stains very easily. All right, here we go. So I'm going to tip it over. You're going to write down observations. Here we go. Try and tip it over at least. All right. So what do you notice happening? I know you can't see this, but right now it's getting really hot. So yeah, we're just going to observe what's happening. Listen carefully if you can hear anything. Still got some stuff going on. Also noticing, what are you noticing about the size of the bag? So we got a lot of air out before, and now the bag is full. I'm actually starting to see it leak a little bit, so I'm going to pause it so I can throw it out before it makes a mess. All right, so now that we were able to see that, do you think we formed a new substance? So again, the thing that you couldn't see was the bag was getting hot, which might be it may have melted a hole inside of the bag, which could be why there was a leak. It makes a mess, so that's why I had to throw it out right away. But what else did everyone notice? There were a lot of things going on. Do you think a new substance was made?